Okay, another video here on pronouns. There we are, happy days. On interrogative pronouns here. So what is an interrogative pronouns? As you can hear in the question, it means interrogative means you are asking something. So it's basically pronouns you're going to need in a question. But you already know these. There are pronouns that you might have always used, you just didn't know what name they had. So you had qui, que, à qui, quoi, comment, all these things, all this question word, basically they're like interrogative pronouns. And all this, you know how to use them. So who, what, to whom, here, what again. Actually, I'm not going to put quoi in there. Just forget about this one. So yeah, qui, que, à qui, comment, so how, all these kind of things that you can put in at the beginning of questions. You know, all these question words, they're basically interrogative pronouns, especially here, who, what, to whom. They're like replacing, they're replacing a person. So qui, who, is replacing the name of the person because you don't know it. So you're basically asking who this person is. So this person is here replaced by who, and the object is replaced by what, and so on. So interrogative pronoun. Interrogative, here we are. Pronoun. And that's basically it. There's not much for me to teach you about them. You know how to use them. It's just, you know, putting them at the beginning of sentences, beginning of questions, just for you to know that they are actually pronouns, since we are studying the big family of pronouns in French. And then the next pronoun we'll do, I'm not going to do different videos for that because they're just things to know, not many things to explain here. So indefinite pronoun, when you're not sure who you're talking about, indefinite pronoun. The most famous one, the one that you'll probably need at the GCSE, is only quelqu'un, which means someone. So if you're talking about someone opened the door, you say quelqu'un a ouvert la porte. Someone has eaten my apple. Quelqu'un a mangé ma pomme. There we are, indefinite pronoun. There's more of them, but the only one you need at GCSE is this one, quelqu'un. It's simple. And then the last pronoun categories I'm going to show you is the demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun, and don't worry, for all of them, you're actually going to have some exercises, so more opportunities to practice that. So here, demonstrative pronoun, you know it. One of them is ça, meaning that. Okay, and that will work with cela because remember that ça is actually a contraction of cela. So ça and cela means that. You would have ce or celui or celle, which would mean this, and then ce and celle that's basically the plural of either the two of them. So here I'll just write 2 plus and 2 plus. There we are. Okay. So when ça, cela, or ce, celui, celle becomes plural, it becomes ce and celle, which basically mean these or those. And the good thing with this is that there's actually no secret. You're just going to use them exactly as you're using your English, this, that, those, exactly the same way. So that's why I mean, there's no need for me to explain it exactly how it works because it works exactly as in English. That, this, those, it's quite self-explanatory because it's similar during English. It's not going to be the case all the time, similar structures, but it's quite nice when it lasts. So let's just enjoy our happiness that we can use it exactly the same way, and going complete our booklet. On this note, guys, good luck for everything. Always, I know I keep repeating myself, but please ask questions, okay? This is what I'm here for. This is my job. You can ask me question anytime. And pronouns are just so confusing. I prefer if you bother me late at night rather than just be confused. So don't hesitate to ask your questions. Speak soon.